guys, my name is Jennifer and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be totally different than like anything else I've ever had on my channel. I am going to work with my husband today to try to convert our bathtub into like this little seating area. I'm not much of a bath girl, and so our bathtub just like sits there and honestly just like collects dust. So we figured we would do something with it. This is like literally our first stab at it, so we're gonna see how this goes, but hopefully I'm gonna be able to give you guys a step-by-step if we succeed. If we do, you will be watching this video because I'm not gonna upload it if it totally doesn't work. So just keep on watching if that's interesting to you. Okay guys, that is it. It's been a good day of slumming around in pajamas and actually like building something and getting something to show for it. So yeah, it actually worked. My piece of advice at this very moment is to buy extra fabric because we have been struggling with we needed like 6 more inches of fabric. So if you guys have enjoyed this video or want more DIY videos, just let me know down in the comments, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye!